Here's a shocking truth. 80% of people believe that cutting out daily lattes is the secret to building wealth. They diligently skip their coffee, feeling virtuous, thinking they've cracked the code. But they couldn't be more wrong. While fiscal responsibility is important, the latte factor is a massive oversimplification. Today, we're going to expose what actually works, revealing how tiny tweaks, far beyond skipping a coffee, can create millionaires. The truth is, wealth isn't built on deprivation. It's built on smart allocation and understanding the power of incremental gains. Think of it this way. Cutting out your latte might save you $5 a day. That's great. But what if you could find ways to earn an extra $5 a day without sacrificing something you enjoy? The shift in mindset is crucial. Let's dive into the real strategies. Imagine a sports team striving for greatness. They don't just focus on one star player or one miraculous play. They look for marginal gains in every single area. Nutrition, training, strategy, recovery. Each area improves by just one. Individually, these improvements seem insignificant. But when compounded across the entire team, the cumulative effect is staggering. That's the power we're talking about. The same principle applies to your finances. It's not about making one grand, sweeping gesture. It's about making small, consistent improvements that compound over time. So, let's look at a practical step you can take right now. Automate your savings, even if it's just a little bit. This is where the magic truly begins. Many people struggle to save because it requires conscious effort and willpower. Life gets in the way and saving gets pushed to the bottom of the to-do list. The solution: take the decision out of your hands. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings or investment account. Even a seemingly insignificant amount like $50 a month can make a huge difference over the long run. Let's paint a picture. Imagine you're 25 years old and you start investing $50 a month. Over the next 30 years, assuming a modest average annual return of 7%, which is historically achievable with a diversified portfolio, you could accumulate over $60,000. That's right, a consistent $50 a month turns into a substantial nest egg, thanks to the power of compounding. And remember, that's just starting with $50. As your income grows, you can increase your automatic transfers, accelerating your wealth-building journey. Here's the aha moment. The key is consistency, not the initial amount. Starting small and automating the process is far more effective than sporadically saving large sums. It's about building the habit and letting time work its magic. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't see it grow overnight, but with consistent watering and care, it eventually blossoms into something magnificent. Now, let's explore another incredibly simple, almost effortless way to boost your savings: the Roundup revolution. Have you heard of Roundup apps? Many banks and credit unions now offer features that automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar. That spare change, seemingly insignificant, is then invested. Every time you buy a coffee for $2.50, the app rounds it up to $3 and invests the extra 50 cents. It's painless. You barely notice it, but those small amounts add up surprisingly quickly. Think about the average person making dozens of purchases a week. All those rounded up amounts, consistently invested, can generate significant returns over time. It's like finding spare change in your couch cushions. Except the spare change is actively working to grow your wealth. Now, it's important to be aware of potential downsides. Some Roundup apps charge fees which can eat into your returns. Others offer limited investment options, which may not align with your long-term financial goals. Do your research and choose a Roundup program that fits your needs. Before we move on, let's ask you a question. What small, automated saving strategies are you currently using or planning to implement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We're always looking for new ideas and strategies to share with the community. So, we've covered the power of incremental gains, automating your savings, and the Roundup revolution. But what if we told you there was a strategy that involved leveraging debt without getting into trouble? In the next section, we'll reveal how to strategically use debt to accelerate your wealth-building journey. It might sound counterintuitive, but when done right, it can be a game changer. Most people fear debt, viewing it as a financial black hole. But when used strategically, debt can be a wealth-building superpower. The key is understanding the crucial difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is the kind that bleeds you dry. Think high-interest credit cards, payday loans, or financing that new boat. These debts come with exorbitant interest rates and quickly depreciate in value. They are financial anchors holding you back from building wealth. The priority should always be to aggressively eliminate these liabilities. Good debt, on the other hand, is an investment. It's debt that appreciates or generates income, like a mortgage on a rental property or a loan to start a promising business. This type of debt can be leveraged to acquire assets and create cash flow. But here's the secret. Even good debt can become bad if not managed properly. Overextending yourself, failing to account for market fluctuations, or neglecting due diligence can turn a seemingly sound investment into a financial burden. One popular strategy utilizing good debt is the BRRRR method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Imagine someone purchases a distressed property for $100,000 using a loan. They invest $20,000 in renovations, increasing the property's value to $180,000. Once rented, they refinance, pulling out $144,080 of the new value. They've not only created a cash-flowing asset, but also freed up capital to repeat the process. However, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires market knowledge, careful planning, and a tolerance for risk. Vacancy rates, unexpected repairs, and fluctuating interest rates can all impact profitability. A poorly chosen property or botched renovation can quickly turn this strategy into a nightmare. Beyond real estate, one of the highest ROI investments you can make is in yourself. Think of education and skill development as planting seeds that will blossom into future earning potential. Taking courses, earning certifications, or attending workshops can significantly increase your value in the job market or open doors to entrepreneurial ventures. Consider Sarah, a customer service representative who invested $1,500 in a coding boot camp. Within 6 months, she landed a junior developer role paying $25,000 more per year than her previous job. That's a return on investment most stocks can't beat. Many people don't realize that government grants and scholarships are available to help offset the cost of education and training. Take the time to research what resources are available in your area. You might be surprised. So, debt isn't inherently evil. Used wisely, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth. The key is to prioritize eliminating bad debt, carefully consider the risks and rewards of good debt, and always invest in yourself. Are you ready to think outside the stock market? In the next section, we'll explore unconventional investment strategies that can accelerate your wealth accumulation. While everyone's focused on the stock market, some of the biggest wealth gains are happening elsewhere. In fact, alternative investments outperformed traditional stocks by nearly 3 last year alone. First, let's explore the untapped potential of collectibles. Forget Beanie Babies. We're talking about curated investments like first edition books. A first edition of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, for example, can fetch upwards of $50,000 at auction. The key is deep research. Understand the nuances of grading, provenance, and market trends. Resources like the Rare Book Society can be invaluable. Now, what about side hustles? Most people think of them as just a way to make a few extra bucks. But the truth is, a well-chosen side hustle can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Think of Sarah, a teacher who started selling her lesson plans on Teachers Pay Teachers. Within 2 years, her side hustle income surpassed her teaching salary. The key is to choose something that aligns with your skills and has scalability. Freelance writing, online coaching, or even creating and selling printables on Etsy can generate substantial income. But here's what most people miss: your mindset is everything. It's the invisible force driving your financial decisions. Do you operate from a place of abundance or scarcity? Those with an abundance mindset believe there are unlimited opportunities for wealth creation. Those with a scarcity mindset fear loss and limit their potential. Start tracking your net worth monthly. Set clear, achievable financial goals. And read books like The Millionaire Mind, by Thomas Stanley to understand the psychology of wealth. Okay, let's quickly recap the small moves we've discussed. We've revealed the truth about the latte factor, explored using debt as a tool, and uncovered unconventional investments. Now, here's your challenge. Choose just one of these strategies and implement it this week. Which move will you make first? Share your plans in the comments below. And if you're ready to unlock more wealth-building secrets, subscribe now. Next, watch this video to discover even more unexpected ways to grow your net worth.